Welcome to my channel. Thank you for listening. So, in our previous video, we saw how Tableau uses intelligence to visualize the data and how to connect with the data source and what are the data sources available in the Tableau and how what is a bar chart and how can we differentiate the chart and make it more visible and more presentable. So we have another data over here. So it is a Indian states unemployment data. So our task is to gather the unemployment rate from 2005 till now. So we can see what fields we have in the data: age, gender, period, and unemployed. Period is the date. Unemployment rate is 91,000 and 175,000 is age-wise rate, and this is gender. So we have 4 fields. So let's see how Tableau uses intelligence to visualize data. Let's move forward to sheet one. We'll use we have dimension and measures over here. So from dimension we'll take period, which is the years, and from measures we'll see unemployed. See, the intelligence of Tableau. It has created a line chart for the data. So you can see year period 2006, 2007, 2008. In 2010 it was at its peak, and it goes down from 2010 to 2012 to 14, and in 2015 it was least. So this is how Tableau has visualized the data. So now our task is to make it more presentable. Now let's filter out this data. I want to filter this data according to the month, not year. So what should I do? So I'll right click here. I'll click on this month or day, anything. So I want to see on the basis of monthly data. So Tableau has converted it to monthly line chart. But you can see this January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. This is a data as per the monthly figures, but this is not correct. What Tableau has done that it has added all the monthly data and summarized into one line. So this is not accurate, and this won't be a correct way to visualize the data. So what we can do, we can click on this month, right click, and we will choose this from this box. See, now Tableau has distributed it properly monthly wise. Not it has not added up all the monthly altogether. So there are several points over here, and to check how many points or how many marks are there, you can see over here it's 122 marks, means 122 points are there to visualize the data. So it's very accurate and it's clear that the data, how the data is moving up and down. What's the difference between this box and this is that Tableau consider this as a dimension and this box is a measures. So dimension is basically a categorical value. So Tableau will consider it as a categorical value and it will sum up all the data as per the as it sum up the dimensions values. And so that's why whenever we have a data which has a date or some date, time, month, quarter, anything, we will have to use this box to visualize it. Clear? So we can see now from 2005 to 2007, unemployment rate goes up to its peak at 2010, and then it goes down, 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 and it's very less in February 2015. To differentiate it color-wise, like you want to see the data of the months in different colors, you can drag period to color, so it will differentiate the data into different color 2005, 2006. It's not very relevant, so I just did that for just to show how you can use the color color tab to differentiate the data into different fields and different colors. So we'll remove it for now. So client wants to see a data in which the data is differentiated gender wise. Client wants to see a data for male and female separately. So we can do that. What we can do is we can drag this gender option into column. Now the Tableau has broken the data into men and women into two fields. Now you can see men and women, and you can see the unemployment rate of women is lesser than the rate of men. But don't you feel that breaking it into two data is not very accurate or very relevant? it's not very presentable also. It is presentable, it is very clear. You can change the color also of one data and another data. But what I want, yeah, what's more correct is to show it in a one box only, and differentiate the data in one box only into two parts. So what we will do, we will drag this gender to color. See, now the woman is in orange, man is blue. So it's similar in this also. It's more very visible that what's the data for women and what's the data for men. I think this is more accurate also, presentable also, and this takes less space because in dashboard we need space. In dashboard, when we'll go to the dashboard lessons, you'll see dashboards are created, so we have to show everything in that dashboard. Without, so if we'll keep it in one